This training video will show you how to add a new device to your expander that is already in your system without physically touching the expander. So the first thing you need to do is suck out the program from your translator and expander. I've already done this here. Next, I need to go to my first expander, right click on the expander and choose Add Device. So I am going to add a heat detector. Choose heat detector. I'm only going to add one. Click Add. I'm not changing any of the settings, so click OK. A new device has now been added into my expander. It says -radio, meaning it needs to be learnt on. Also notice the translator has gone grayed out. This means I need to do a program translator. So first I need to right click on my translator and choose Program. This new config is now being sent to the translator's memory. Once that's completed, it will say Successful Programming. Click OK. I now need to tell the expander about this new device. Right click on your expander and choose Program Expander. If you are not plugged in directly to your expander, you can do a remote program. So this is just telling you, has it at least been once locally programmed, and does it have power? So should we proceed, click Yes. This new config is now being sent to the expander wirelessly. Once that's completed, it will say Successful Programming. Click OK. Now we've told the expander about this device, we can now learn the device on to the expander. Right click on the device and we choose the option Remote Programming through the SGW2W, which is our translator, and then we choose the option Program. The translator is now searching for the device, so with your new device, make sure your secondary battery is fitted, flick the switch to the on position and put your primary battery in. You will then get 4 red flashes of the LED. After 4 red flashes, flick the switch to the 1 position, you will get 2 green, and it will say Successful Programming. Click OK. You now need to reconfirm everything back to the expander and translator. So right click on your expander and do Program. Again, you have this little error message. It's just meaning, is it wirelessly connected to the translator, and does it have power? Yes, it does, so click Yes. That configuration is now being reconfirmed back to the expander. Once it has completed, it will say Successful Programming. Click OK and reconfirm it back to the translator. Once that's completed, it will say Successful Programming. Click OK, and now we have the LOER message in our LCD display. So using the push buttons on the translator, press down until it says RF, press right, it says EHP, press right, it says sys, press up, it says load, press right, it says conf for confirm, press right, it says done. Press left until the screen is blank.